This is a short introduction to command line interfaces, and I use Windows here because macOS has this built-in terminal. So Windows, we have the command prompt, which is the regular DOS prompt, and we can go like this, cd backslash, and we can see what we have in our directory or at our hard drive. And when we want to perform Unix operations, we need to have another tool, and this tool here is a command line interface, which is Git Bash downloaded from git.scm, and with this tool we can perform Unix commands. So this is introduction where I want to just show a few of them. Here we have, as we can see here, this is where we are right now, and I can find out where I am just typing pwd, and it says I'm at /c/Windows System 32. If I want to go to my home directory, I use the tilde, that means cd tilde, and then I am at my home directory. And I can see the content of my home directory by typing ls, and if I just use ls, I get this list of the files, and if I want to have more information, I use -l. And there are a lot more options you can use, and at the end of this presentation I will just show you a cheat sheet for the command line interface. And the command line interface, we want sometimes to use some shortcuts. For example, we want to go jump to our htdocs or whatever it may be, and for that purpose we need to have an alias. And in this blog post you can read more about how to launch something from your command line interface. And in this case, it's Sublime that we need to execute when we use the alias subl. And I have done it in my installation, so I can show you here how it's done. I have this. You need to have a file, a hidden file, in your home directory. And this this file should have the name .bashrc. So I have set it up so I can write subl and then the name of the file I want to edit. So I will write bashrc, and then I get the content of my bashrc, as you can see. Of course, I need to be in the same folder, the same directory, when I want to view the file with Sublime. And this is the line you need to put in to your bashrc. And I have also another alias, ht, which brings me to the htdocs. So I'll just copy this and then I'll remove the file so I can show how to create it again. So I will use rm.bashrc .bashrc. Now it's gone. And before I just used the up arrow to see the previous commands I have used, as you can see here. And then I would like to use touch .bashrc. Touch creates a new file. Now if I had my Sublime, I could view it. So I need to have something that can view this file. So I'll just boot up my Sublime, find it here, and then I will open this bash file. Here I am at the local drive C, and into users and my home directory, and here I have my bashrc. So this bashrc, I will put this text back, and I could call it st, whatever I like, but I go for the subtle. And as you saw here, I have my ht. I could have another alias for example, Node.js to go into the Node.js folder. So when I save this and close this, then I'll just restart my git bash. So I have my bash here, and I will go back to, let's say I want to Node.js, and as you can see here, now we are at Node.js. So when I bring in the, if I go into the cd, and here I can use my tab, the tab key to use the completion. So if I go into this directory and have a list of that, I can just write subtle and then add .js. Then I have my JS file here in my Sublime. I could go like this instead. Go back, cd space ... and then I could write subtle and then 01 store. Then it will open up the whole folder, as you can see here. I have my product and my index and all that. All the files are here. So there are a few commands you need to know when you are moving around in your environment with the git bash or whatever command line interface you use. And this Linux command line cheat sheet by Dave Child comes in very handy. As you can see, we have used the pwd, the make dir, the cd and the cd ... and the ls to go around in the directories. And we have the possibility to use some of the others. You saw I used the touch, I think we have it here, to create a file. And we can view a file, and we can copy a file, move a file, remove. I used remove to remove the bash rc file. And yeah, I think that's it for now. Of course, this one is interesting to change file permissions, the chmod. Yeah, I think that's all for now regarding the command line interface.